Good afternoon. I'm Chris Bianchi with your Weatherversity.net video forecast. For your Wednesday, the main weather headline we're going to be talking about is the humidity and the warmer temperatures that will be accompanying a slight disturbance that will be moving through the area, especially north of Boston this afternoon. Pretty much what that means is Boston will see primarily sunny skies with a few afternoon clouds starting to work its way into the picture. But areas well north of Boston may start to see some showers and thunderstorms developing mid-morning through the rest of the day. However, Boston again should remain dry, and areas south of Boston won't even see those clouds that we're talking about. But you might be asking yourself, why does Chris have a big weather map behind him? You see this? This is a big map of the United States, and why I have it today is what's going to be brewing down here by the later part of this weekend may be influencing our weather in a significant way by next week. We'll get to that as we get along a little bit further on. But for your immediate forecast, for Thursday, aside from today, Wednesday, we will start to see those clouds working their way into the afternoon, but otherwise it should be mostly sunny. And what that means is we'll have mostly sunny conditions for the wide majority of the areas well north of Boston. Of course, we'll see those clouds and storms working their way in. But of course, Boston itself will see mostly sunny skies with temperatures in the mid-80s with some pretty sticky conditions. See a lot of humidity in the air, but it shouldn't be too bad. Should be a pretty nice day for your outdoor activities. Overnight tonight, we'll see lows dipping down into the upper 60s. Shouldn't be too bad. Have those fans on though, because it'll be remaining mostly sticky. For Thursday, we'll see much of the same. We'll see mostly sunny conditions. Some afternoon clouds will start to build up. And Thursday night into Friday morning, we'll see some really nasty storms working in the way into your picture. There's a cold front that's currently in the upper Midwest right now starts to work its way through, and that means clouds, storms, and nasty weather for Boston, for your morning commute, and for overnight Thursday. For the weekend, we'll see much cooler conditions as a Canadian high pressure starts to build its way into the air. It means temperatures in the mid-70s at tops. And we're talking about highs that could potentially be as low as 72 for your Saturday. So a bit of a taste of fall for this weekend. And for next week, there's a big map behind me. Down here in Florida, we're expecting to see what is now Tropical Storm Dean, be a full-fledged hurricane. And whether it goes this way, whether it goes into the central Gulf, kind of like what Katrina and Rita did a few years ago, or whether it goes up the coast like this, will determine how much rain Boston sees by the mid part of next week. If it takes this path, that eventually it will work its way up the coast, kind of hug the eastern seaboard, and eventually hit Boston with probably some squally weather by the mid to late part of next week with some nasty, nasty conditions, and that could be a couple of washouts for Boston. And of course, if you're watching from Florida, have your eyes out. Anybody along the Gulf Coast here, please be tuned. Weatherversity will have constant updates on the developing tropical system, Tropical Storm Dean right now, which has winds in the mid-40s, mid 40 mile per hour range right now, but it should be strengthening and will be a Category 1 hurricane by this weekend. I'm Chris Bianchi with your Weatherversity.net video forecast.